advent of COVID-19 has changed a lot in our communities, but it should never take away our rights to have our say in the development of our communities. The Mandela Bay Development Agency has now made it possible for you to contribute your views and aspirations for the development and reimagination of New Brighton. Simply use your smartphone, tablet or internet enabled in your home and visit www.mbdaengage.co.za and contribute. Thanks to the development pioneered by the NBDA, this service is free, no data, no internet cost, and available anywhere, anytime. Yes, you do not need data at all. Simply go to www.mbdaengage.co.za and reimagine the future, reimagine New Brighton. This is brought to you by Watt 14, 16, 17 and the MBDA.